वेलकम स्टूडेंट। 11th स्टैंडर्ड में लास्ट में जो फाउंडेशन था वो हमने आपको सिखाया, लेकिन अब हम टेक्स्ट बुक स्टार्ट करेंगे। टेक्स्ट बुक का हर एक सम उसके फॉर्मेट में करना चाहिए। तो जर्नल एंट्री का ये फॉर्मेट है, डेट, पर्टिकुलर, LF यानी लेजर फोलियो, डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट। तो सबसे पहले टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फिफ्थ सम ऑफ योर टेक्स्ट बुक, पेज नंबर 102, सम नंबर 5 एंड पेज नंबर 102। फॉर्मेट में लिखेंगे ये सब। You see, number 1, from the following transaction, write journal in the books of Pranjal. Number 1, introduce rupees 10,000 and commenced business. Date नहीं दिए यहाँ पे, 1, 2, 3, 4 लिखेंगे। Introduce rupees 10,000 cash and commence business. Owner of business brings rupees 10,000 in cash in the business. You all know very well that owner brings cash or other asset in the business, it is considered as a capital. Here, introduce rupees 10,000 in the business means owner brings rupees 10,000 in the business. Owner brings rupees 10,000 in the business, that means cash comes in business. And whenever cash comes in, you all know very well, according to rule of real account, debit which comes in, credit which goes out. Here cash comes in and therefore debited. Cash account debit. It is brings by owner. Whenever owner brings something in the business, it is considered as a capital of owner. And you all know very well that capital account always credited to capital account. According to rule of accountancy, in each journal entry, narration necessary. Narration means summary of transaction. ये कौन सा ट्रांजेक्शन रिकॉर्ड किया है, इन शॉर्ट यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा, उसको नरेशन बोलते हैं। और वो बीइंग करके लिखना पड़ेगा, बीइंग कैश ब्रिंग्स इन द बिजनेस। कैसे? और कंप्लीट हो जाने पे पर्टिकुलर में ये लाइन करनी है, ऐसे जर्नल बनानी है। नेक्स्ट वन, गुड्स ऑफ 5,000 परचेज ऑन कैश। गुड्स परचेज, गुड्स कम्स इन एंड वेन एवर गुड्स कम्स इन इट मस्ट बी डेबिटेड अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल ऑफ रियल अकाउंट। परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट। How much? 5,000. Purchase by cash. Goods comes in, then cash goes out. And whenever cash goes out, it must be credited to cash account. Being goods purchase. Next one, rupees 8,000 purchase, goods of rupees 8,000 purchased on credit from Rajan. Here name of person given, cash was not given, it's a credit transaction. Goods comes in, it must be debited, purchase account debit. $8,000. Goods comes in, it's a credit transaction, and you all know very well that in credit transaction name of person necessary. Goods comes in from which person? Rajan. Goods comes in from Rajan. Rajan is giver here, and giver account always credited to Rajan account. Being goods purchase fourth one. Goods of rupees 2000 given for donation. Donation means our expenditure. According to rule of nominal account, expenditure always debited. Here donation given, it is our expense. Expense must be debited. Donation account debit 2000. Goods given in donation, goods goes out. And whenever goods goes out, according to rule of real account, it must be credited. बट गुड्स अकाउंट अब नहीं लिख सकते क्योंकि नए रूल के मुताबिक अगर सेल के अलावा किसी भी तरह से गुड्स जाता है तो वो परचेज में से निकालते हैं. वो गुड्स अकाउंट क्रेडिट करने के बदले परचेज अकाउंट क्रेडिट किया जाता है. यह नया रूल इंप्लीमेंट हुआ है अभी नई बुक में. तो गुड्स सोल्ड, गुड्स गोज आउट, सॉरी गुड्स गिवन इन डोनेशन, गुड्स गोज आउट बट नॉट credited to goods account but credited to purchase account. ये परचेज में से ही गया है और डेफिनेटली वहां से ही गया होगा क्योंकि परचेज हुई होगी तब हम डोनेशन में दे सकते हैं. Being goods given as a donation. Fifth one. Given order to Shivani to dispatch goods of rupees 3000. Order given to Shivani. Order given. ये गुड्स अभी परचेज नहीं हुआ, हमने ऑर्डर दिया. अभी गुड्स आया नहीं, शिवानी ने भेजा नहीं, तो ये नॉन फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन इसको बोलते हैं. और नॉन फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन की अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट नहीं हो सकती. इसीलिए यहां पे लिखना पड़ेगा नॉन फाइनेंशियल NF ट्रांजैक्शन. अंडरलाइन. नेक्स्ट वन. Shivani has dispatched the goods as per order. Now it becomes our purchase. Goods purchase, goods comes in. Here name of person given, cash wise not given, therefore it's a credit transaction. Goods dispatched by Shivani, that means goods comes in, it must be debited. Purchase account debit. Here value of goods 3000. Goods comes in from which person? From Shivani. Shivani is the giver and giver account always credited to Shivani account. Being goods purchase. Seventh one. Paid 2,500 for life insurance premium. Listen me carefully. According to rule of accountancy, business and owner are different, are separate. Life insurance premium, that means premium on owner's life. 100% it's a personal expense. And whenever personal expense paid, it is considered as a drawings in the business. Now, listen me. Paid rupees 2,500 for life insurance premium. It's a personal matter of honor, and whenever personal expense of honor paid from business, it is considered as a drawing. You all know very well that drawings account always debited. Drawings account debit. $2,500. Premium paid, cash goes out, and whenever cash goes out, it must be credited to cash account. Being life insurance premium paid. Now, completion. After completion, grand total must necessary. 30,500, both side equally. इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा। ये फर्स्ट सम कंप्लीट हुआ। इसी तरह से जर्नल एंट्री बनाते हैं, इसी तरह से उसको लिखना चाहिए फॉर्मेट।